Does technology fail you when you need it the most? Does technology make you want to do this? Introducing Logic Care from Logic Integration, bringing you peace of mind for your technology. At Logic Integration, we understand the reliability and ease of use for your audiovisual system is mission critical. Our Logic Care program is tailored to your users' needs to maximize uptime. We will monitor the health status of your system to foresee potential issues and prevent the unforeseen with regular system cleaning and maintenance. There are two universal truths when it comes to technology. Technology will need to be serviced at some point, and there will be hardware updates and upgrades throughout the life of the equipment. We will monitor the health status of your system to foresee potential issues and prevent the unforeseen with regular system cleaning and maintenance. When you need support, we are ready. Through scheduled visits, Logic Integration Service Department will check the health of your equipment and make any adjustments needed. As a Logic Care client, you will have the peace of mind knowing that you will receive priority call consideration when you need service. Call us today to sign up at 888-725-9165 or email us at info@logicav.net.